Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at a Thor Miramar 34.6. Now, Thor Miramar is one of the top-of-the-line Class A gas motorhomes. Full body paint is an option, which this one has. The 34.6 is an awesome floor plan because it's one of the floor plans that gives you bunk beds and an outside kitchen. It does have the nice big 22.5-inch tires. This outside kitchen's absolutely amazing, and it's something that you don't get on many RVs at all. You really only get it on the more entry-level Class A's. So the fact that you can get it on a upper echelon Class A like this is awesome. Inside, you can see you do have a very nice cockpit area. Bunk over the cab that is currently down. It holds 500 pounds, has the awesome netting. Very big size dinette. Drops down to make a bed. Cup holders there and everything. And your TV is directly across from your theater seats. Right here are your theater seats. You have nice big windows and plenty of storage all the way above right there. Over here, we do have a great size residential refrigerator with a pantry space with very nice kitchen space. You do have induction and propane cooktop. Then right over here is your bunk area. What I love about this, it can be a wardrobe or you drop this down to be a bunk space. Very nice. I love when it's multi-purpose like that. Really nice size shower. Plenty of medicine cabinets there, sink, storage, and the toilet is a great placement. And then wrapping up in the master bedroom, we do have a king-size tilt-up bed. Plenty of storage all the way around. 2 AC units in here. You got TV right here, storage here, and even better, this storage is prepped for a stackable washer dryer if you guys want one. But that's it, guys. That's a quick 2-minute tour of the Miramar 34.6. If you guys want to see the full review, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you're 100% sure that you want this unit, click the link down below and a member of our Motorhome team will reach out to you to get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.